Hey, we're here at go-to-math.com. Let's click the calculus, go down to the first derivative, and I believe we're doing 12-2. In fact, that's it right there. And we got a nice little graph to look at. It says find all relative min and maximum points. So as you can see here, there's a relative max, and that's the what we're going to be finding. And this is a relative minimum. Right? Relative means it's relative just to this area right here. Okay, so let's, what do we got? Ooh, let's write that down. All right, everybody got that written down? Let's move over to the whiteboard and let's see what we got. We got h of x is equal to 1/3. If it was x cubed minus 7/2 x squared plus 10x and then plus 1. Okay, so we want to find those critical numbers, and that means we need to take the derivative. So bring the 3 out front. 3 times 1/3 is just 1, so we end up with just x squared minus, take the 2, bring it out front. 2 times 7/2, you just get negative 7x, and then plus 10 there. All right. Ooh. Can we factor this? Let's see, 2 and 5. Yeah, I think we can factor. I do not want to use the quadratic formula if I have to. Let's see, or if I don't have to. 2 and 5. 2 and 5. And if we made that negative, I believe, and that negative, let's see, x squared minus 5x minus 2x, yeah, is negative 7x. Negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. Set that equal to 0. Now, I've been putting c's in there, but I forget this time. Forgot. Anyway, so what are the solutions to this? I'm just going to go ahead and write. So our critical numbers are going to be 2 and 5. 2 and 5, right? Plug 2 in, you get 0. Plug 5 in here, you get 0. Alright, so then we'll need to draw a number line and we'll put 2 right here on the number line and put 5 right here on the number line. Then we need some test points, and of course I always choose 0 if I can. And then we'll choose 3 as our other test point, and how about 6, right? So f prime of 0, we plug 0 into the derivative, and all we care about is if this is a negative or a positive number. So plug 0, 0 in, and you get a positive number, right? So that's going to be positive, and that's all we care about. So that's a positive, and that means that the graph is going to be increasing up to 2. And then let's look at the other test point, f prime of 3. So we plug 3 in, we get 9. 7 times 3 is 21. And what's that? Okay, so that should be a negative, right? That should be a negative number. Negative, so we know it's decreasing. And then if we plug in f prime of 6, our other test point, right, we're going to get 36. I might need to write this one out. Minus 6 times 42, right? And that's going to be 4, 5, 6, negative 6, but plus 10 to be a positive number. Okay, positive number. Positive. So we know it's increasing. So this is going to be where there's a max, and I should say a max is going to occur here, and then we'll have a relative minimum will occur here. Okay, and of course to get that you just plug 2 into the function and then plug 5 in to the function. But we got to save some time here, and let's click the answer there. So it was 2 at 29 over 3, 5 and 31 over 6. Alright, check that out. Okay, well, come on back to Go To Math and practice that, and I'll see you there.